Welcome to Louisiana, a land shaped by the ebb and flow of mighty waters, where the Mississippi River, the lifeblood of a continent, completes its long journey to the sea. Here, in this southern state, we find a tapestry of life woven from ancient forests, sprawling wetlands, and a vibrant coastline. Louisiana's heart beats to the rhythm of nature. It's a symphony of croaking frogs, chirping insects, and the rustling of leaves in the wind. Join me, dear viewers, as we delve into this wilderness, exploring the hidden wonders that make Louisiana a true paradise for nature enthusiasts. Let us embark on this adventure together, venturing into the heart of Louisiana's wild side, where every step reveals a new marvel, a testament to the power and beauty of the natural world. Our journey begins in the heart of Louisiana, in a realm where land and water intertwine to create a world unlike any other. These are the wetlands, a vast expanse of marshes, swamps and bayous teeming with life. Here, in the shallows, sunlight filters through the water, illuminating a hidden world. Look! A school of fingerlings darts amongst the reeds, seeking refuge from the watchful gaze of a heron. This is a nursery, a haven for countless species that depend on these wetlands for their survival. The Mississippi River Delta, the largest in North America, dominates this landscape. Its waters, rich with nutrients carried from the heart of the continent, breathe life into this ecosystem. It is a haven for migratory birds, a vital stopover on their epic journeys across the globe. Observe, if you will, the elegance of a great egret, its snowy plumage a stark contrast against the emerald green of the marsh. The wetlands are a testament to the intricate web of life where every creature, from the smallest insect to the largest predator, plays a crucial role. Our journey through Louisiana's natural wonders now takes us to the lifeblood of this state, the mighty Mississippi River. Flowing from its headwaters in Minnesota, it carves a watery path southwards, carrying with it the stories of countless towns and cities finally reaching its destination here in the Gulf of Mexico. As we approach from the air, the sheer scale of the river is breathtaking. Its waters, a muddy brown from the sediments it carries, snake across the landscape, a testament to the erosive power of nature. For millennia, the Mississippi has shaped not only the land but the destiny of the people who live along its banks. This river is a vital artery, a bustling waterway for commerce and transportation. Barges laden with goods navigate its currents, a testament to the crucial role the Mississippi plays in the nation's economy. But the river's influence extends far beyond human endeavors. Observe, as we approach the delta, how the river begins to spread out, its waters branching into a network of distributaries. Here, fresh water from the river's heart mixes with the salty embrace of the Gulf, creating a unique brackish environment. Leaving the mighty Mississippi behind, we venture now into the heart of Louisiana's interior, where a vibrant tapestry of forests blankets the landscape. These forests are not just a collection of trees, but a living, breathing ecosystem that supports a myriad of life forms. These woodlands, a mix of towering pines, ancient hardwoods, and verdant bottomland forests, create a diverse habitat that is both beautiful and essential for the local wildlife. They are a testament to the power of nature's resilience, having withstood the test of time and the challenges posed by both natural and human influences. Step into this emerald embrace and you'll find yourself surrounded by a symphony of life. The forest is alive with the sounds of countless creatures, each playing their part in this intricate web of life. The air thrums with the chirping of insects, the rustling of leaves underfoot, and the occasional call of a distant bird. Every step you take is a reminder of the forest's vitality. And listen closely, you might hear the distant drumming of a woodpecker searching for a meal, its rhythmic tapping echoing through the trees. Here, sunlight filters through the canopy, dappling the forest floor in a mosaic of light and shadow. This interplay of light creates a magical atmosphere, inviting you to explore further. Dominating the northern and central regions of the state is the Kisatchie National Forest, a sprawling expanse of over 600,000 acres. This vast area is a sanctuary for both wildlife and those seeking solace in nature. A sprawling expanse of over 600,000 acres, it offers a refuge from the hustle and bustle of modern life. This is a place where time seems to slow down, where the hustle and bustle of human life fades into the background, replaced by the gentle rhythm of the natural world. Here you can lose yourself in the tranquility of the woods, walking along quiet paths that wind through the trees. The gentle rhythm of the natural world is ever present, from the babbling of a nearby creek to the rustling of leaves in the breeze. Look, a white-tailed deer, its coat the color of autumn leaves, freezes for a moment, sensing our presence before disappearing silently into the undergrowth. This fleeting encounter is a reminder of the delicate balance of life in the forest. It freezes for a moment, sensing our presence before disappearing silently into the undergrowth. The Kizatchi is home to a remarkable diversity of wildlife, each species perfectly adapted to this unique environment. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals, every creature has its place. Each species perfectly adapted to this unique environment, contributing to the rich tapestry of life that makes this forest so special. Listen closely, and you might hear the distant howl of a coyote, a reminder that even in this tranquil setting, the balance of predator and prey is always at play. This delicate balance is what keeps the ecosystem thriving. A reminder that even in this tranquil setting, the balance of predator and prey is always at play. This delicate balance is what keeps the ecosystem thriving, ensuring that the forest remains a vibrant and dynamic place. Our exploration of Louisiana's natural wonders now leads us deep into the heart of Cajun country, a land where the rhythm of life moves to the slow, languid pace of its waterways. These waterways are the lifeblood of the region, nurturing a diverse ecosystem that thrives in the gentle embrace of the bayous. Here, amidst the sprawling wetlands, we find the bayous, a unique and intricate network of water channels that define the landscape. A network of slow-moving streams and rivers that weave through the marshes and swamps. These waterways create a labyrinthine maze, teeming with life and mystery. Imagine, if you will, gliding silently through these watery corridors, the only sounds being the gentle lapping of water against your boat and the distant calls of wildlife. The air thick with the scent of damp earth and the sweet perfume of magnolia blossoms. Each breath you take is filled with the essence of the bayou, a blend of earth and water. Cypress trees, their trunks draped in Spanish moss like ghostly apparitions, stand as silent sentinels of this ancient landscape. Line the banks, their roots submerged in the murky water. These trees have adapted to the ever-changing water levels, their roots forming intricate patterns beneath the surface. The bayous are a world unto themselves, a hidden realm teeming with life. Every corner of this ecosystem is alive, from the smallest insects to the largest predators, a hidden realm teeming with life. The bayou is a sanctuary for countless species, each playing a vital role in the delicate balance of this environment. Alligators, ancient reptiles that have roamed these waters for millennia, bask in the sun. Their prehistoric forms a reminder of a bygone era. Bask in the sun, their prehistoric forms a reminder of a bygone era. These formidable creatures are the apex predators of the bayou, commanding respect and awe. Watch closely, and you might catch a glimpse of one slipping beneath the surface, its powerful tail propelling it through the water. The alligator's movements are both graceful and menacing, its powerful tail propelling it through the water. The bayou is their domain, and they navigate it with an ease that belies their size. But these bayous are not just the domain of large predators. They are home to a myriad of other creatures, each contributing to the rich tapestry of life here. Look, a great blue heron stands motionless on the bank, its long neck poised like a feathered spear, a master of patience and precision. Its long neck poised like a feathered spear, waiting patiently for an unsuspecting fish to swim within range. The heron's stillness is a testament to its hunting prowess, waiting patiently for an unsuspecting fish to swim within range. In this moment of stillness, the heron embodies the quiet intensity of the bayou. The air buzzes with dragonflies, their iridescent wings shimmering in the sunlight as they dance over the water. These delicate insects add a touch of magic to the bayou's atmosphere, their iridescent wings shimmering in the sunlight as they dance over the water. The bayou, with its myriad forms of life, is a testament to the resilience and beauty of nature. Our journey through Louisiana's natural wonders concludes on its southern edge, where the land meets the sea in a breathtaking tapestry of coastal beauty. This region is a testament to the state's diverse landscapes, offering a serene escape into nature's splendor. Here, the Gulf of Mexico, with its warm turquoise waters, shapes the landscape and sustains a remarkable diversity of life. The Gulf's gentle waves and vibrant marine ecosystem create a haven for both wildlife and human visitors alike. Our first stop takes us to the heart of one of Louisiana's most iconic features, Lake Pontchartrain. This lake is not just a body of water, it's a symbol of the state's natural heritage and a crucial part of its environmental fabric. This vast expanse of brackish water, stretching over 630 square miles, is a sight to behold. Its sheer size and beauty captivate the senses, offering a tranquil retreat from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Its surface, often whipped into whitecaps by the wind, reflects the ever-changing moods of the sky. From calm, mirror-like reflections to choppy, windswept waves, the lake is a dynamic and ever-evolving spectacle. Lake Pontchartrain is more than just a scenic wonder. It's a vital ecosystem, home to a unique blend of freshwater and saltwater species. This delicate balance supports a rich tapestry of life, from tiny plankton to larger fish and birds. Here you might spot a school of speckled trout chasing after shrimp, or witness the graceful flight of brown pelicans, their wingtips skimming the water's surface. These moments of natural beauty highlight the lake's role as a sanctuary for wildlife. But the lake's importance extends far beyond its ecological value. It serves as a vital resource for the local communities, providing opportunities for fishing, boating, and other recreational activities. For centuries, Lake Pontchartrain has been a hub for commerce and transportation, connecting New Orleans and other coastal communities. Its waters have carried goods, people, and stories across generations. Its shores are dotted with towns and villages, their economies and cultures inextricably linked to the lake's bounty. These communities thrive on the resources and opportunities provided by the lake, making it an integral part of their way of life. As we bid farewell to Louisiana, we are left with a profound appreciation for the raw beauty and ecological significance of this remarkable state. From the symphony of life in its wetlands to the quiet majesty of its forests, Louisiana's natural wonders have captivated our senses and reminded us of the importance of preserving our planet's wild places. Whether you seek adventure in the heart of a cypress swamp, tranquility along the banks of a lazy bayou, or the thrill of spotting wildlife in its natural habitat, Louisiana offers a unique and unforgettable experience for nature enthusiasts of all kinds. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through the heart of Louisiana's natural wonders. May the memories of this extraordinary place inspire us all to become better stewards of our planet and to protect its wild beauty for generations to come.